back to Doodle Patties with Nosh. Before we start our tutorial today, please can I request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this tutorial, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. I really appreciate it when you leave a comment in the comment section, and that's a great way that we can connect as well. So now with that said, let's get into our project today. In the last two videos, you saw how we have used every aspect of this cookie tin in our DIYs. The first one we did was with the cookie liners, where we made the wreath, and the next one is where we used the lid of this cookie tin, and we made a tiered stand out of it. And today what we are going to do is we're going to use this to make a bin sort of a thing where you can store things. You're going to need some of this fabric glue. Even if you don't have fabric glue, it will do, because we can always use the glue gun. And you're going to need some fabric and some jute cord or also some yarn, whichever you have available. First step is that we're going to take some fabric and measure this over here. The first measurement will be here. I'm not good with fabrics, but I can get by. So the first one is here. You take a measurement of this, make a marker. So we're going to make a marker over here, giving a little bit of leeway, but there. And then we're going to leave, this is the part which will be coming inside. So we're going to leave a little bit space here, say inch or maybe 2 inches. Yeah. So I'm going to cut this, and I'll get back to you then after that. So now that we're done with there, we're going to take, for the inside of the lid, we're going to use a template sort of thing to see. No, won't do. So we'll probably have to use a paper template first, and then we're going to use a paper template inside so that we know what's the diameter or the radius inside, and then we're going to take that paper and trace it over here so that we know how much we can place it in. So we've got this. What I decided is to take the shortcut. I just took one of these lids and drew a circle around here, because I knew that this is quite large to fit in. I mean, this is quite small to fit in here, so need to take around 1 centimeter larger, and that's what I've done. Cut this up. So this will do the job. Now to get something to wrap around it. Yeah. This can be as regular no worries. Most of it will be hidden underneath, so it doesn't matter really. And with that, our fabric job is done. Let's open it. This doesn't matter because it's going to go down. I'm going to make cuts over here so that we can fold it up, and then it will go like this. You can see that? But I need a thin scissor for this. I know this is going to be quite boring for you to watch, so we'll meet after this step. So like you can see, just going to kind of get those flaps in. I'm just using a fabric glue. You can also use a glue gun, that's not a problem. This is how it looks, and it will be going this way inside there. Now we start with this area, which is, this is eventually how it's going to look. Just a little bit of skirting which will be coming outside here. The rest of it will be going in. So again, we don't have to be very careful because it will be inside, so we don't have to be very careful about how. We'll use this line over here as a marker to take it this way. Again, you can use the glue gun or you can use the white glue, the fabric glue, whichever. Just for the beginning, I'm going to use the glue gun. My glue gun's cord is not very long, so that is very painful for me to kind of pull it all the time here. Anyway, this is how I'm going to complete it. See you the next step. So this is how it looks right now. We're just going to put that is how it's looking. And now we're going to start winding up this borders. So I've used one of these. And I'm using some of this glue gun here. Huge problem because the glue gun does not reach here. Okay, anyways. So the seam is going to be right over here, the joints, all the 3 joints. Now we're going to do another one, exactly same way. Start from here. That's why I was telling you, it doesn't matter if this is not, you know, clean and polished look, doesn't matter. A little bit more to give it an overlap, because I didn't like what happened here. Now I'm going to make some tassels and hang it over here. I'll just show you that. So this is almost ready. Now all we're going to do is we're going to just make some tassels. This is from Dollar Tree for $1.25. I've just used a little bit of cardboard over here. I'm just going to poke it inside here. So I'm going to do it this way. Just going to start from here. Very simple, just keep rolling it. See how much you want. I'm going to take this knot here, make a knot over here, tie it up, just to be really tight. Now at this stage I'm going to cut off everything from here. There we go. These are the 2 that we started with, remember? Now we're going to just going to tie it up here, so to speak, a head for our tassel. Give 2 or 3 circles there. Just tie it up. our little tassel is ready, and we can hang it here this way or maybe this way. I'm going to make at least maybe 5 or 6 of these. We'll see you after that. So now we have finished all of them, all the tassel, and we're just going to just arranged it, not stuck it as yet. I'm just going to use some glue. And with that, it's ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, and share my video. I hope you like this tutorial. It's just another way how we can recycle things in our kitchen. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye now.